Welcome to a day at Al-Bayaan Institute. Our day begins at 8 a.m. sharp. We neatly place our bags and head straight to assembly. A power-packed start, where we recite du'as of protection, learn a new dua, and get a simple, impactful action point to practice.
At Al-Bayaan Institute, our mission goes beyond academics. We strive to nurture well-rounded young girls who are strong in their deen, exceptional in their education, and equipped with essential life skills.
It's time for 𝗔𝗶𝗄𝗁 class. Our passionate and devoted muallimat guide us through our memorization journey, ensuring perfect tajweed and proper repetition. No rushing. After 3 dedicated hours of 𝗔𝗶𝗄𝗁, we refresh with a well-deserved break. It's nap time. Just 15 minutes, but it recharges us for academics. Now comes our favorite part, reading time. Readers are leaders. For 15 minutes, we explore books, share stories, and discover exciting new ideas. Recharged and ready, we dive into academics. Mathematics is fun and hands-on. Learning through play makes numbers easy. English becomes effortless as our teachers make reading and writing enjoyable.
At Al-Bayaan, we raise leaders and mentors for our ummah. Confident and skilled, they will positively impact society as role models, inshallah.
Exploration studies is where we experiment, build, and connect lessons with Hadith and Quran, making us reflect on Allah's signs and feel deep gratitude. But school isn't just about books. In physical education, we master karate, because a mu'mina is strong in every way. And finally, our most exciting class, Girl Scout. Here, we are learning life skills like time management, designing software, storyboarding, and even emotional regulation. At Al-Bayaan, we are not just students, we are future leaders, creators, and strong mu'minat.
May Allah bless our students with success in both worlds and make them a source of benefit for the ummah. Ameen.